Hi everyone, welcome to my channel and it's lovely to have you here. Do check out my other work and tutorial videos and like, share and subscribe if you can. So today I'm going to be showing you how to use a Posca white oil pencil to create an outline of a shell on Yupo paper like I've done here, and then fill that in and create a piece of artwork using alcohol inks that have been diluted with isopropyl alcohol at about a 60-40 ratio, 40% ink and 60% alcohol. And I put this mixture into these needle tip bottles for ease of access. So I'm going to play some music for you and let you watch how I create this. See you in a while. You will notice that for the smaller, hard to reach areas, I do use other instruments such as a paintbrush, a pipette as you can see here, and also a dotting tool just to get into the crevices and try not to surpass the lines that I've created with the Posca pencil. At this point I managed to spill a little bit out of the pipette outside of the lines, and I take some time then to try and clean that up. Now Yupo paper stains really easily, so it's a difficult paper to work with unless you're very careful, but in this instance I managed to clean most of it up, so it's not very visible at the end. My advice would be to keep lots of wet wipes, alcohol and also some cotton bud, especially the pointed type, at hand just in case you make any mistakes, you can quickly clear it up. As you can see, these segments on this shell are getting so small, so it's quite difficult unless I use a dotting tool to get any ink in those tiny little segments, and I have to be extremely careful, obviously. So if you're a beginner having a go at doing this type of art, I would suggest you draw something that's got a wider span of space so that you're not having to do detail work like this straight away. But you do get used to it, and you do get used to the dotting tool itself as well to try and make very intricate patterns, and with practice you can actually achieve this yourselves. The thing that I love about creating with alcohol art is that it's actually extremely therapeutic, and you do really relax into it, and it's really enjoyable when you're in it, in the middle of it, and there's very little mess. Unlike paint pouring or fluid art, there's very little mess to clean up at the end, and also there's very little mixing involved in terms of mixing paints up. So if you've got your little needle top bottles and you've done the mixing with alcohol once, you don't have to do it again. This lasts a long time, and it's just really relaxing. What you see me doing here is taking a cotton bud, dipping it into alcohol and then dabbing into the surface of the colours there to create this stippled effect, so this faded stippled effect across the entire shell, which makes it look really nice. And I do that with a cotton bud, and once the cotton bud is saturated I kind of change it and do it again, and you see the end effect when we've finished. So here is the final artwork. I hope you've enjoyed this journey with me and that you hit the notification bell for any future videos. For next time, take care. See you soon.